channel Chai with Varu. Are you looking for some hearty healthy breakfast? Look no further cause I'm going to be making some yummy soft spongy idlis today. So in this video I'd like to share with you how to make soft spongy hot steamy idlis just like this. So let's get started. To make these soft spongy idlis, I'm using 3 cups of whole urad dal to 6 cups of idli rava, that is 1:2 ratio, and then wash them thoroughly and soak it with enough water. And to this urad dal I'm adding few fenugreek seeds. This helps in giving nice soft fluffy idlis. And now soak this urad dal and fenugreek seeds for 5 hours and the idli rava for 2 hours. Now after 2 hours drain the idli rava water. And then after 5 hours drain out the excess water from this urad dal and fenugreek seeds. And after 5 hours of soaking, now it's time to add this fenugreek seeds and the urad dal into the wet grinder. Now add enough water to this and it's ready to be blended. So while that's getting blended in the wet grinder, now here I'm draining and squeezing out the excess water from the idli rava. So we just need the idli rava, not the excess water. So this is what we need, this idli rava mixture. Now to this I'm adding in the soft fluffy batter of urad dal. Now to this add in enough salt to taste and then combine everything thoroughly. All the urad dal batter, the idli rava and the salt, combine it really well. And after this, keep it closed and let it ferment for 6 hours. This is the perfect consistency we are looking for. Now let it ferment for 6 hours. After 6 hours or overnight fermenting, next day morning breakfast, our perfect soft fluffy idlis ready to be eaten for the breakfast. These are nice soft hot steamy idlis ready. Eat it with your favorite chutney or sambar. As you can see, hot, steamy, fluffy idlis ready for breakfast. Do try this soft spongy idli recipe and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also don't forget to press the notifications bell icon to get more of my latest videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.